Welcome to the Technology Closet. Today's video, we want to bring back the Start orb or Start button for the desktop for all you Windows XP and 7 folks. To do that, we have to get a program. Run the program that will actually simulate the desktop of a current Windows XP or 7 computer. Gives you lots of commands, functions, and the nice thing is it doesn't modify anything. It can be uninstalled. And finally, it does boot your computer directly into your desktop, bypassing the Start screen. So let's do that. From the Start screen in Windows 8, select the desktop. Open up your browser and go to classicshell.sourceforge.net. This is what the program will look like. Looks very much like Windows XP and Windows 7. Download the software to your desktop and we're going to install it. I've already done that. Let me open up my download section. There's the Classic Shell current version. And I'm going to right mouse click and select Run as Administrator. Click Yes to the user account control. Close that back window down. Select Next. Accept the license agreement. Select Next. Now, since we have Internet Explorer 10 on Windows 8, I'm not going to install the Classic Explorer lookalike, nor am I going to do the same thing for Internet Explorer 9. I'll leave the other two as needed. Select Next. Install. Once the system has completed the install, click Finish. I'm going to uncheck the README file, although you should do that so you can get familiarity with this program. And I'll select Finish. Now, what's different? Well, look down here in the lower left corner and we have a little button. Hover over it and you get the word Start. Click on it and you get what looks like a Start menu. How nice to be able to go over here to the Control Panel, click on Control Panel, and we get our Control Panel screen. To help things even more, of course, we can open up the personalized function on our desktop and add some icons to the desktop that we don't already have. This was covered in a previous quick shots, but let me just go over it one more time. Right mouse click on the desktop, select Personalize, change desktop icons, select the icons you want, apply, click OK, close it down. Now, by golly, doesn't this look more like Windows XP and Windows 7? It sure does. Now, the final one thing to do is we want to test this. That is, we want to reboot our computer and see if we do come back into the Start screen. To do that, I'm going to go back to the Start screen. I'm going to go to the Charms bar, select Settings, Power, and Restart. Let me log in. And look at that. We're right into our desktop where we can then utilize all of the icons that we're used to seeing, or at least many of them, and the same with the Start button. We click on the Start button. Of course, we get a lot of functions that we didn't have before. You'll notice down here we have Programs and we have Apps. The apps let us run the apps that are on the Start screen. The programs allow us to run programs and accessories that we already have installed. Well, that's the end of this video. This is how we get our start button back and make it simulate an XP or Windows 7 computer screen. Please visit the website at thetechnologycloset.com, and while you're there, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time.